As Jackson County takes on that 2-week pause, the U.S. COVID-19 hospitalizations were more than 60,000 yesterday. Those cases make the highest number of hospitalizations so far during the pandemic. Johns Hopkins University says the U.S. has surpassed 10 million coronavirus cases, another record since the pandemic began. Despite some promising news this week about Pfizer's vaccine trials, former CDC Director Tom Friedman is warning Americans not to let up on precautions like masks and social distancing. Rising COVID-19 cases are starting to impact hospitals, not just across the country, but also in Oregon. The Oregon Health Authority said hospitals have seen a 50% increase in patients who have tested positive for COVID-19. At a news conference, Governor Brown and representatives from 4 Oregon hospitals urged people to take steps now to slow the increasing COVID-19 case rate and urged people to limit their social activities over the next 2 weeks. Dr. Renee Edwards with OHSU said Portland metro area hospitals were planning to have tests this week and when overall hospital capacity was impacted by COVID-19 patients. Edwards says Portland area hospitals are working together on a response.
And as a result, we are now having almost daily regional huddle calls to discuss our hospital capacity, including our ICU capacity, and make sure that no one hospital is reaching a stress point with being able to manage their capacity.
Edwards said hospitals are sharing information to determine which hospitals have the most bed capacity. Earlier today, Jackson County Medical Director Dr. Jim Shames said Jackson County is receiving guidance from the state to help in the battle against the virus. And this, he says, will help staff with contact tracing with the focus on being people who are at the highest risk for the coronavirus.
So that means we're going to continue to focus aggressively on the highest risk individuals in our population, those living in nursing homes, those who are already at high risk, those who work with those in those categories, and it may mean that other individuals might get contacted later.